What up, guys? Well, whoever's watching, what's up, YouTube? I am back out here at Coronado evening sesh, or late afternoon. It's 4 p.m. right now, and the bite here was so good this morning. I had to come back out and give it a shot, but I didn't check the forecast. It is windy as hell. There's white caps, and the tide is going down, but that's not gonna stop me. So I'm gonna get rigged up. I'm gonna leave this big camera, leave this guy right here that I'm recording on in the car, bring my combo out, slap you guys on my chest. I'll be throwing the JigPara again. That's the heaviest jig I have. Along with JigPara, I'm gonna throw some tailspin, the dual tailspin, and if I got any other heavy jigs, I'll throw it. But as of right now, with this current ripping like this, wind blowing, I need to throw heavy. So I'm looking at least throwing ½ ounce and up. You guys stay tuned. Let's get to fishing. Let's go. Round 2. Let's do it. Ooh, that wind is no joke right now. Hopefully I can cast it. 18-gram cotton candy. This is a new color they had at the shop. It's like rainbow. Looks pretty dope. See if we get something. Yeah, it's gonna be rough. The wind. There we go.
Catch any halibut out here? Is there any halibut out here?
They're all over, man.
Really?
Yeah.
God, are you serious?
Yeah.
You just gotta have your fishing license?
Yep. Yeah, you do. Unless you're on a pier.
Oh, okay.
That's not a pier, but
okay.
it has to be an actual pier, like Coronado Pier right here. A little ferry landing. That's that. Yeah, then you don't need a license. Damn, even in this windy condition, I managed one. So just gotta be patient with it and adapt. Just gotta adapt. Ooh, that's a good one right there. Little guy, he hit it like a train. Was he? Little bass. Don't touch him.
No, you can't touch him.
He got some sharp scales on him. Man, I think that guy hit it like a train. Just let it sink to the bottom, guys. So you have to fish heavy in these conditions. With low tide, you gotta get it out there. The deeper you go, the possible chances of you getting a fish is pretty high. It's kind of hard to set the hook when I'm facing to my right and my line's going out to the left. I'm trying to keep the wind resistant, you know? I'm trying to keep that wind noise. There we go. tugging. This one's putting up a good fight. Woo-hoo-hoo! Woo! There you go. Damn! Look at that fatty. This thing's huge. Look how big that is. Straight up the line. Spotted bay bass. Yeah, pretty common out here. First Lego of the day, or the year actually. It's a big one. Woo. Gotta fix that. Always gotta check for frays. Get over here, cast this way with the wind, and see what happens. Just hope there's not a lot of freaking grass here. I feel like it's a lot shallower over here than it is over there. There we go. Woo! This little guy got heart. Go. It's like a 13. There you go. Hell yeah. That's a good one. I got two really good ones, two dinks. There's nothing more I can ask for right now. Nothing. But I reeled up this trash that came with it. It freaking stinks. I don't know why the hell I'm touching it, but I'm gonna be putting it in the trash can. Oh, that thing stank. Woo! Well, lost my bait. The only bait that I was working tonight, well, the only bait I was throwing tonight was the JigPara spin in the cotton candy color. That color, you guys don't understand. That color produces, even though it's kind of fruity. It looks like, you know, Fruit Loops out there, but apparently those bass love it. But I'm gonna shut it down right there. It got pretty dark. It's getting cold. I'm gonna go home and spend time with my family, hang out with the kids, you know, play some Spider-Man games with them and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna call it right there, guys. So if you guys want to know all the stuff I use, check the description below. It has everything you need to know that I use today, as in rods, reels, etc., all the good stuff. Just check it below. And if you guys are new to this channel, consider subscribing. I do salute you guys for sticking through all the way to the end of this video, including my other videos. If you guys actually do stay through, you know, the whole 15, 20, 10 minutes, depends on how long the videos are. But I try to include as much as I can into a video. That's why sometimes some of my videos are 20 minutes, some of my videos are 10 minutes. But enough of that. I'm gonna close it out right there, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. You guys are the true MVPs. And again, guys, good fishing and peace out.